Biden wrote back, check yourself into local rehab, Hunter. This has all got to stop. Also expected to testify his ex-wife, Kathleen, who's currently in a legal battle with him over unpaid alimony.
Regardless of how this comes out, even if he's acquitted, this is not going to be a pleasant experience, to say the least.
Prosecutors will also show jurors text messages illustrating Hunter's drug problem, including one he wrote around the time he was waiting for a drug dealer in Wilmington. I was sleeping on a car, smoking crack on 4th Street in Rodney. An agreement that would have spared Biden trial and prison collapsed here last year when the judge determined the sides didn't fully agree on the terms.
It blew up at the last minute. It was Lucy pulling the football away from Charlie Brown when everyone thought it was about to be sealed, done, and delivered, and it wasn't. We were back to square one.
Opening arguments begin tomorrow morning, and the trial likely lasts 1 to 2 weeks. Hunter Biden has also pleaded not guilty in a different case, a tax case in California brought by the same prosecutor. Nora, that goes to trial in September, just as the presidential race hits high gear.
Thank you. Today, the Israeli military reported that 4 more hostages abducted in the October 7th attack are dead, and their bodies are still being held by Hamas. News of their deaths now increasing pressure on Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu to bring the remains home. Senior Benjamin Hayek reports from Tel Aviv on Philippines
He was in the ruins of the southern Gaza city of Khan Yunis, where the remains of Nadav Polo, Amiram Kiva, and Yoram Metzger were found by the Israeli military. This Hamas propaganda video, released in December, shows 3 of them still alive. It's not known how they died, but an army spokesman says it likely happened months ago. The discovery of the remains of even more hostages has only intensified the pressure on Prime Minister Netanyahu. On Saturday, over 120,000 Israelis took to the streets of Tel Aviv to demand he move forward with the deal to release the hostages and end the war in Gaza, as outlined by President Biden.
The most important thing is bringing them back right now, no matter what.
Tonight, Netanyahu insisting